In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a connected workspace. We'll set this up in Notion, keeping everything simple, clear, and repeatable so you can scale it as your work grows. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. On the home page, sign in using the Google option. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use and complete the sign-in. Once you're inside your workspace, you're ready to create the central hub that will keep everything connected. In the left sidebar, click Add a Page. This creates your main hub. Give it a clear, memorable title, something like Project Center works well because it signals that this is the place where all related work will live. Keeping names consistent makes navigation easy later. With your hub open, type the /command/page. This brings up Notion's quick insert menu and creates a subpage inside your hub. Name this new page based on its purpose. For example, you might call it Tasks, Timeline, or Resources. Pick whatever fits the content you plan to store there. The key is clarity, so you can immediately see what each page is for. Open that new page and add content related to it. You can start with simple, useful blocks like headings for structure, text for notes, checklists for to-dos, or a simple table for lightweight tracking. Keep your content focused on the page's purpose so it stays easy to scan and maintain. Short descriptive sections and labels help a lot. Go back to your Project Center hub and repeat the /command/page to create another subpage. Name it thoughtfully, then open it and add the content it needs. Each subpage should serve a single, well-defined area of your work. This keeps your hub clean while still giving you room to go deep where necessary. Continue repeating this pattern. From your Project Center, add a new page, name it clearly, and fill it with relevant content. As you build, you'll notice how each subpage is automatically connected back to the hub through the sidebar and the breadcrumb at the top of each page. That's the foundation of your connected workspace. One central hub with tightly organized subpages that are easy to navigate. When you're done adding the core pages you need, return to your Project Center to view the whole structure in one place. You now have a connected workspace that's simple to expand. A quick tip before we wrap up. Use consistent naming, keep pages focused on one purpose, and review your hub occasionally to keep everything tidy and aligned with your workflow.